Have you ever thrown away rice water after cooking rice? If yes, then today's video will completely change the way you look at it. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a 100% free, natural homemade fertilizer that works amazingly for all types of plants. Vegetables, flowers, indoor and outdoor plants. And the best part? It's already in your kitchen. Rice water. Rice water is rich in natural starch, vitamins, and minerals that help plants grow faster, greener, and stronger. It improves root development, boosts leaf shine, and supports healthy soil microorganisms. How to prepare it is very simple. Take plain rice. Any type is fine. Wash the rice with clean water and collect the first wash water in a jug. Do not add salt or oil. How to use it. Pour this diluted rice water directly into the soil, not on the leaves. Use it once every 7 to 10 days. You can use it for tomatoes, chilies, roses, money plants, indoor pots, and even seedlings. You'll notice greener leaves, better growth, and healthier plants within a short time.